Hey folks, it's Steve at Certified. I've got a customer came in here with a car today and it doesn't run right. First thing we notice is that the transmission fluid is low in the vehicle. I think we found what the problem is. I see the fluid here at the bottom. See all this? Looks like blood everywhere. Here's what the problem is, if I can show you. I've got this inboard joint of the axle. Watch it. See everything moving up and down? There's something going on up inside here. Maybe the bushing on the side of the case is bad, but you know, we've got to, we'll drive this thing first because make sure it's been running low of oil, make sure the transmission's still good. Then we'll figure out what's going on and what she needs. So when your car doesn't run right, doesn't stop right, it just doesn't act right, give us a phone call here at Certified. It's Steve at Certified, 241-7166, 241-7166.
That's a wrap.